Hello YouTube, I'm doing some initial checks here and it looks pretty good. Not perfect, but much improvement since before. And got some problem at the ends here. But if we take a look at the dial indicator, it stays at about 75 on the major part of the work area, but at the ends here it goes up a bit. Now it's starting to go up. So about 1200ths of a millimeter. So let's take a look at it. It's a lot of rainbows. Looks very strange on the camera, but looks much better in reality. I guess it must be a good thing if the workpiece gives off a reflection that the camera can't record. So, thumbs up. Seemed to work just fine. And this will be a little fixturing plate here. I will drill some holes and then do some tapping so I can mount small pieces of stuff that I will test mill. Alright, just wanted to make a small little update. Too bad the camera can't show how this looks, because it looks really cool. But yeah, take care. I will be back soon with more videos. See ya.